Alright, well, excuse Harry Potter going on in the background, but I just wanted to pop on here and show you what I have done in less than 30 minutes. I took one of those big Costco-sized packages of ground beef. It's 90/10, and I made it 3 ways. So I'll show you what I did. So the first thing that I did is I took probably about half of it and made 4-ounce patties with this Montreal steak seasoning. Popped them on my little griddler and cooked them for about 4 minutes apiece. Then I took my big old pan and I made like Italian seasoned seasoned ground beef for pasta and stuff. And then the last thing I did is I took the same pan, I just kind of wiped it out, and then did some taco beef. So I really like these little patties for lunch for myself, and my kids will eat them, and they'll also eat the different flavored ground beef options that I've made. So under half an hour, and I've got a whole bunch of nice protein options.